From fresh homemade pasta to explosive cheeseburgers, today we are cooking the ultimate premium cafe menu right from scratch. Number 1. The ultimate premium Peri-Peri chicken, with vibrant spicy rice right at home. This dish is packed with bold, smoky flavors. First, add into the blender all this ingredients and blend until it forms a smooth, rich paste. Now take your fresh chicken leg quarters, make a few deep cuts, and coat them generously with that fiery sauce. Let it marinate for at least an hour. Toss the chicken onto a hot grill pan both sides. Now, cut the capsicum, onion, garlic, and let's get the rice going. Melt some butter in a pot and saute finely chopped onions and garlic until golden. Throw in red and green bell peppers for that signature aesthetic, followed by turmeric and paprika. Toast your soaked rice in these spices for a minute. Now pour in a rich chicken stock powder with warm water. Mix properly, cover, and let it simmer on low heat until perfectly fluffy. Look at that stunning, vibrant yellow rice. Number 2, the cheesiest chicken quesadilla you'll ever make. Let's do it. First, chop onion, capsicum, garlic, and sliced chicken breast, then toss your chopped grilled chicken into a hot pan. Season it with paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and salt. Throw in some sliced bell peppers and onions and saute everything until beautifully charred and full of flavor. While it crisps up, let's smash some ripe avocados for the ultimate fresh guacamole. Mix in finely chopped onions, tomatoes, lime juice, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. Creamy and perfect. Now grab a large tortilla, layer it with guacamole, pile on that savory chicken filling, plenty of shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and fold it over. Grill it on a buttered pan until both sides are golden brown and crispy. Slice that crispy quesadilla into triangles and boom, pure flavor heaven. Number 3, this is the ultimate Cheesy Lava Volcano Burger. Let's build it. First, mince the chicken and mix the spices and seasoning and make round patties. Then toss a seasoned chicken patty onto a smoking hot pan. Sear it to juicy perfection, flip it, and top it with a slice of melted cheddar cheese. Toast your brioche buns also both of sides in same pan. Next, burger sauce. Mix into the bowl mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and garlic powder. Spread your burger sauce, lay down veggies, and stack that juicy patty right on top. Then, let's mix up our secret lava cheese sauce. In a saucepan, melt butter, add milk, and pile in an absolute mountain of cheddar and mozzarella until it's smooth and flowing. Pour that hot cheese lava inside, pull up the ring, and watch it explode. And number 4, making fresh fettuccine pasta completely from scratch. Let's do it. First, we blend our pasta dough with all-purpose flour and egg, then roll it out into thin sheets and carefully cut it into beautiful, fresh fettuccine ribbons. After that, drop them into boiling salted water for just a few minutes until perfectly cooked and tender. Now melt butter, saute garlic and onions, then pour in rich tomato puree, followed by heavy cooking cream. Then mix herbs, salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Toss in your fresh homemade pasta and already grilled chicken slices until it's fully coated in that creamy pink perfection. Plate it up, top it with oregano leaves, and boom. Number 5, the ultimate viral Blue Lagoon Mojito. Let's shake it up. First, toss fresh lime slices and mint leaves into your glass. Muddle them gently to release all those refreshing juices and aromas. Pour in a shot of blue curacao syrup, pack the glass with crushed ice, and fill it up with a fizzy blast of 7-Up. Garnish with a lime wheel and mint leaves. Take a sip and boom. Subscribe Chef Savindu for more delicious recipes.